How's it going, guys? This is Sam. This video is about how to clean your PC out, your case, when you have filth like that. I think this is about 8 months of not cleaning it out. And if you could go in there, you see the GTX 470, the fan. See the other fans, filthy. Let me show you the front. That's the front. Those fans right there, all the dust in it, the built up of it. And inside, if I could show you, probably can't until I straighten it out. But anyway, straighten it up right now. There we go. Let me see if I can show you. See all this? That's all dust, build up everywhere, just dust everywhere. Usually I just blow it out with the compressor right there. And if you don't have a compressor, you could buy a canned air and you vacuum. I got a wet dry vac right there. I'm going to try that out for the first time because I really never used a vacuum to suck it out, but I'm going to try it out, see if it'll clean it a little quicker. Now, and also I use a little painter brush, cheap brush, about $2. What I do with these fans, usually you can't blow them out, so what I do is I hold and I just clean them out like that, and gets out most of the dust. If not, what I do is I take the fan out, unplug them, which I usually do, except the top two I don't unplug because they're too hard to get out. But these, the two right there, this one, the power supply, I just blow that out, do my best with that one, and I clean them out, just thoroughly clean them out. And these in the front as well, filter right there, just a grill. And that's what I basically do. So this is going to be one part, and next part I'm going to show you, after I get it clean, I'm going to show you how I'm going to have one fan and show you exactly what I do with that one fan. Look at little Missy. That's Missy, my cat. She's pretty cool. Alright guys, later, and subscribe, leave some comments.